Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Annalo Pamitan Kalagi, your financial educator. Today we're going to talk about a topic that on everyone's mind. It's money. We all know that money can do a lot for us, but it's important to understand its limitations as well. So let's dive into what money can and cannot do for you. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more insightful content. So pag-uusapan muna natin, no, the first thing we're gonna talk is the power of money or what money can do for us. First, it provides basic needs. Money can help you afford food, clothing, and shelter, ensuring that you and your family are taken care of. Second, it offers financial security. Having a stable income and savings can give you peace of mind and reduce stress. Third, what money can do for you is enable experiences. Money can allow you to travel, try new hobbies, and enjoy life's pleasure. Fourth is create opportunities. With money, you can invest in your education, start a business, or support causes you care about. And last, what money can do for you is gives you freedom. Financial independence can give you the freedom to make choices and live life on your terms. Now that we covered the power of money, let's discuss its limitations. Here are some things that money cannot do for you. Buy happiness. While money can provide comfort and security, it cannot guarantee happiness. True happiness comes from within and is often found in relationships, personal growth, and meaningful experiences. Second, that money cannot do for you is to ensure your good health. Money can help you access healthcare, but it cannot guarantee good health. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle and making smart choices are crucial for your well-being. Third, it cannot create lasting relationship. Money can't buy love or friendship. Genuine connection are built on trust, respect, and shared experiences. Money can provide resources and opportunities, but it cannot guarantee success. Hard work, determination, and resilience are essential for achieving your goals. Last, inner peace. Money cannot buy inner peace or contentment. These come from self awareness, personal growth, and a balanced life. So that's for today. What money can and cannot do for us. I hope you learned something for our video today. So money has the power to improve our lives in many ways, but there is also limitation what money cannot do for us. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to click the notification bell para ma-notify ka kung meron akong bagong video i-upload. And like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share. If you see this video helpful, don't forget to share this to your friends, family, and relatives. Thank you once again for watching until the end. I'll see you to my next video. Bye-bye.